Okay, so good evening, everyone. Yeah, you're all welcome to the data analysis class. The tool we'll be learning in this class is Power BI. The other tools like Excel, you could use to learn to become a data analyst, Tableau. You need SQL too. But this class is mainly Power BI. If you can use Excel, then you're fine. Izuna and Samuel, can you both use Excel?
I'm not really good at it.
You're not good at Excel?
Yeah. I don't know how.
Okay, that's fine. Even if you're not good at Excel, you can learn the Power BI. And the exam you'll be doing for your certification is the PL 300. So that's the code for the exam. Yeah, I'll just start by introducing myself. My name is Franca Ibuzo. I'm CEO at Cheska Global Solutions Limited. I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. That means we train people to become certified in Microsoft programs. I'm also a business intelligence expert and a Microsoft data analyst. I'm also an IT and cybersecurity consultant. And these are my handles. On LinkedIn, I'm Franca Ibuzo. On Facebook, Franca Space Ibuzo. And on X, I'm Cheska at Cheska 11. Okay, and with me, John, do you want to introduce yourself? Please go on into this session.
Okay. Hi all, my name is Joan Ibuza. I'm a director at Cheska Global Solutions Limited. I'm also a data analyst and a business intelligence expert. I've got a few certifications as well with Microsoft. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Thank you. So, discover data analysis. We look at the learning objectives. Yeah, we learn about the roles in data and about the task of a data analyst. So these are what we'll be looking for. Yeah. So what do we understand by data? Can somebody tell me what is data? What do you understand by data? Izuna or, yeah, what is data? Izuna or someone, anybody can speak. Just in your own words.
What do you mean data? Like generally?
Yeah, generally, yeah. What's data to you? What's in your own words?
How do I even go about it? It's probably like I've seen it as like information.
It's raw information,
Sorry?
maybe. Raw
I said I see it as
information.
information.
Data is information. Yeah.
It's raw information ready to be processed into facts. Huh?
Okay. Can you give us examples? When you say data, what's
Probably image. Like image, like pictures, if that's the word.
Calculations.
Graphics, videos. Yeah, videos. Videos to their data.
videos?
Yeah.
calculations,
Is that
tables.
Samuel or Izuna? Who is speaking? Because I'm not on that screen.
Right now it's Samuel.
Sorry?
Right now it's Samuel.
Samuel, okay. Okay, Izuna, what is data to you?
I said first of all, I said data is I said it's information to me, and you asked like what are like examples, and I was like, oh, like images, like videos, images, and yeah, that's how I see it. Not to go too deep.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, yes, we say data is the new oil. Yeah, you have data, your names, your information, your names, when you go to a hospital or or even in school, they ask for your name, your matric number in the university. If it's in hospital, they'll ask for you. They give you a patient number. They'll ask for your address. They'll ask for your phone number. All these are data. Yeah. All these are data. They collect your personal data. So all these are data. Yeah. Okay, somebody mentioned videos. All these, you need all this data. Yeah. So to get to know you. So this.
Sorry, can I just bring that down a bit, please?
Yeah, go on.
Anything you count, 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, they're all data. But the fact that we didn't converge here, and how many are we? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is data. So data is everything. Anything you count is data. Money, data. So data numbers, don't even just go high level. Numbers, alphabets, anything you count, coins. The world is data driven. So anything you see is data. Okay? Yeah. Franca, that's it for me. I just wanted to throw
all
in
right.
a line.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So even like here you can get data from different places, from Facebook. Yeah, you can see all this. Yeah, from Facebook, from different sources. Yeah, from this is MailChimp. Yeah, from Excel. All these, you can get all this data from SAP, Salesforce, SQL. You can get data from different sources. So all these are sources of data. These are some of the sources of data. Yeah. And yeah, with this data, yeah, first you clean the data, yeah, and with the data you can get information. Yeah. So you have insights, business insights. Yeah, you have information, you have you have graphs with the data. So that's okay. Joe, you want to take it from here? Different types of analysis.
Okay. I just break it down a bit because I just love to break things down a bit. So, like Franca said, Power BI is a business intelligent tool that helps us get data. And she's told us the different sources where we can get data. So, what does a data analyst do? The data analyst basically helps us understand what is happening with our data. So you guys want to be business analysts. So you'll be able to analyze what is happening, to the data. So we also said that the data analyst helps us source. Somebody said raw data, and I love that. Information that is not processed. So the data analyst sources this raw data and now make meaning out of this data. Another word I love to use is insight. So the data analyst gives insights to this raw data we've collected to tell a story. So that's basically what a data analyst does. A data analyst tells stories. Okay. And Power BI helps us get data that helps us, what we do is to process this data. And Franca has already told us, how this data can be processed. Almost everything, like I mentioned earlier on. I love the word that Franca said when she said data is the new oil. Almost everything around us is data driven. You can't do anything without data. Are you a business person? Are you a student? Are you a professional? You need data. You need data to run the world. Even with AI that is huge now, you cannot do AI. No, not that you cannot do AI. AI depends on the data that is given to it for it to generate what it's going to generate. So do we understand it to this point?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So, okay, that's fine. So if I tell someone to explain, would you be able to explain the little I've said?
Summarize.
Yes, please.
Is it, I'm trying to
Anyone can
write
go
down.
first.
Okay. So what she basically said was data is raw information that is not ready to be processed. That is ready to be processed, sorry. There are examples like calculations, words, ABC, anything. Basically, anything around us is data. So she went to say the jobs of a data analysis, of a data analyst.
Mhm.
A data analyst gives insights to raw data to make a story.
You have to process the
That's
data
basically
first.
all I'm saying.
Okay. Okay. The data analyst has to process the data first before he gives insight. Please don't forget that word, that it goes through a process before it now gives insight. It doesn't just give insight. Okay. So, are you okay with that? Or you want to
Okay.
take us from your own point? Thanks for that.
It's just basically like what I still understand. It's just basically like saying there's nothing we won't like. There's nothing right now that you're not doing like without like data, like doing it like everything is data driven. If that's the right word, everything is data driven. So like there's nothing like be it at the hospital, be it in your house, everything is basically data driven. That's how I see it from my point of view.
Okay. So I'm glad. So let's have that thought process that everything is data driven. So when you
Data
see
driven,
anything,
yes.
yes, as a business
Yeah.
person, data driven, as a career person, data. We need data,
Yeah.
data.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So
Yeah.
that's the job of a business analyst. Just have that in the back of your mind.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
here now, we have different types of analysis. Data analysis is another form of, okay, here it tells us storytelling. So basically, what you're doing is telling a story with this data that you're given. So when it passes through that process, you will now be telling a story with the data, with the raw data that you have. And we're going to take you through all that. So here it talks about descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, prescriptive, and cognitive. So we take the first one, descriptive. What do you understand by descriptive? Anyone can go first, please.
Man, to be honest, What?
Don't
What?
go high level, just
Yeah,
the word, because that's how you understand this.
understand it.
All
Yeah.
this if you're going to take the exam, Microsoft exam, this
Okay.
is mandatory. And the way you understand it is by the English word descriptive, describe, descriptive. So go on. Anyone can take it.
Man, how do I even go about this? Series is, man, trying to think outside. Um, to be honest, I'm trying to think of the best way to even put it out. It's probably just,
Okay. Yeah, go on.
I don't know, probably describing how probably, man, I swear I don't have an idea how to put
Okay.
it.
You don't even have to use, you're telling us, describe this.
Yeah,
Describe this bottle.
yeah,
Describe how you came from your house
yeah.
to work.
It's
Describe how
basically,
you
it's
logged on.
basically
What has happened? Do you
maybe
understand? So,
observation.
okay. So it's in the part. Who's that? Okay, somebody else trying. Oh, yeah, go on.
I said maybe
Go
it's
on.
observation.
Okay, observation of what?
Yeah, like as you said, like maybe when someone is walking out of his house, he won't know it's his house without observing his surroundings. Descriptive.
Okay.
I don't know if you're
Basically,
getting what I'm saying.
okay. So when you're describing something, right? You're describing what has happened, isn't it? What has happened in the past. Because it has happened, now you're coming to describe it. Just bear that in mind. That's what's happened in the past. So it's a historical event. Okay? So you're describing an outcome of something. Okay? Do you guys get that?
Yeah, describing the
Okay.
outcome of something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what about diagnostic?
Is I'm looking at it as like from a medical point of view, when you are diagnosed with something like a a sickness, if that's the word,
Okay.
as so that I'm saying it like I'm saying from another point of view, like when I mean like I'm saying medical, like is
Yeah. So when you
diagnosed
get
when you
something
are
from when you get information from the
yeah,
descriptive, yeah. So that outcome that you got,
okay,
you will now dig deeper, isn't it? Just like you said,
yeah,
yeah, in the hospital, you now
yeah,
dig deeper to find out the cause. Why did this happen?
happen, yeah,
Yeah. So you've gotten an outcome, results from descriptive. So you now want to dig deeper to find out how and why it happened. That's diagnostic. Yeah. To find out the cause of how it happened. Just like when you said, oh, in the hospital. So
yeah,
this sickness that they said happened, what is the root cause? So that's diagnostic. Okay. So what about
yeah.
predictive? Anyone can speak, please.
Predictive. Just is a way of, like probably just predicting like the outcome of something. Like when you feel
Okay.
like this is it, this is it. That is just like prediction, like predicting that, oh, this will happen. This is it. This is the information. Like how I
Fantastic.
said, like predicting what will happen, the outcome of something, predicting the cause of something.
Yeah. Yeah. If you look at the screen, the screen has even given it away. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about aren't you speaking? He's not speaking. Maybe he's locked out. Okay, so far he's listening.
I am.
So
Yeah, I'm
okay, you,
listening.
you wanna you wanna throw in a bit on that predictive.
No, no, no.
Huh?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, so predictive is a future. You're looking at the future. You're predicting the future.
Yeah.
Predictive analytics, tools provide valuable insight into what may happen in the future. So let's prescriptive now.
Prescriptive. Probably, how would I even put this? It's still around the like forecasting the future data. To be honest, it's still
Okay, prescribe when
I
you
think
go
it's still
to.
around the.
Okay, when you go to your GP, the GP prescribes medications for you. When you go
Okay,
to the doctor prescribes
yeah,
medications for you, isn't it?
medications for yeah. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So by using insights from predictive analytics,
Yeah,
data-driven decisions can be made.
yeah.
Okay. So business makes informed decisions in the face of uncertainty. So what about the last one? Cognitive.
So anyone wants to go. That's gathering like, do I say general? Well, how should I put it? Um,
Okay, this is if or. So if something changes, circumstances change, you
okay.
should be able to have handle a situation. Okay, so cognitive, based on
Okay.
existing knowledge bases, you're able to handle situations.
Based
Okay,
on. Sorry, can you say that again? Based on.
okay, so cognitive analytics helps you
Yeah.
learn what might happen if circumstances change.
Okay.
So if this thing does not work,
Yeah.
we use another model. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I took my time to take us through this because this is quite mandatory. So know how, a data analyst uses this. Okay. 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 Next, please. And we're following at this point. Okay. Task of a data analyst. So as a data analyst, I talked about process. And this is the process the data goes through. And this process is, first of all, you get data, and Franca has shown us a few places where we can get data, but there are more. We'll have a look at that later as we progress in class. So first of all, you prepare the data, then you model the data, then you visualize the data, you analyze the data, and you manage the data. Okay? Can
Yeah.
someone run us through that?
So
The
you prepare
first,
the data,
mhm,
then you model like the data.
you
That's
get the
right.
data first. Get the
You get the
data.
data.
Mhm.
Well, when you mean prepare, that's still saying you get the data.
No, prepare
Okay.
is clean. Clean the data.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
First of all, you go get the data
Okay.
from various sources, different sources. Could be Excel, could be SQL, but we'll see all that later. Then you prepare the data, then model the data. Yeah, go on.
Then model the data, then visualize the data, then you go on to analyze,
And
then
manage.
manage the data. Yeah.
Okay, that's fantastic. Next, please.
Did you ask for the next slide?
Yes, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay, we have questions here. Okay, you want to take the questions?
Okay, yeah. Who wants to go first? Either Izuna or you can read the first question and answer. Who wants
Okay,
to go first?
this is a knowledge
The
check.
first question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go on.
Which
You can read out. That's fine.
okay, which role that enables advanced analysts capabilities through the report and sorry, let me process this. So like that the three that's data analyst, data engineer, and data scientist. Those are the options, if I'm not mistaken.
You have 3 options, yeah. So you need to pick one correct answer.
Yeah, so what would you go for?
Probably data analyst.
Sorry?
I said the first one. I said data analyst. Yeah.
Okay, that's correct. It says which role enables advanced analytics capabilities through reports and
Through reports and
data.
visualization.
Okay, who took that first one? Is that Izuna or somewhere?
Yes.
Izuna.
Who?
Izuna took the first one. Okay, Samuel, go
Okay,
for the second
Samuel,
one.
you want to go for the second one?
Yeah, I will. What data analysis? Data analyst.
You can read out so we can hear and
Which data analyst has critical performance impacts on reporting and data analysis?
So what would you go for?
I'll go for analyze.
Okay, you go for analyze. Is that what you want for?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Izuna, do you agree with him?
Which data analyst has critical performance inputs?
Yeah.
Reporting data analyst.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, the next one.
What is the key benefit of data analyst?
Izuna, you want to take the next one?
Okay. Yes. What is the key benefit of a data analyst? Complex reports, yes or no?
Is that your final answer?
Decisive analyst.
Samuel, do you agree with him? Did you say decisive analytics?
Yes.
Or complex? You said complex reports. Which one did you?
I said complex report first. I said I went with complex report first.
Okay, what's your final answer? Okay, Samuel, do you agree with him?
I'll go for decisive analysis.
What did you go for?
Decisive analytics.
So what is a key benefit of data analysis? The key benefit is to make informed business decisions. Remember, we talked about that. A business analyst gets data Based on the data it gets, raw data, it goes through a process, tells a story to make informed business decisions. Please don't forget that. It's very key to what we're doing. So data analysts make informed business decisions. Okay, next please, Frank.
Okay. What did you go for?
Informed business decisions.
Yeah. Yeah, because that's the key benefit of data analysis. Yeah, with all the data. Yeah, you want, as the end result, you want informed business decision. Yeah, is with the data that you make informed business decisions. That's why you need your data. That's why you need to analyze data. So as a data analyst, yeah, you get all the data and you analyze it. And, you know, for stakeholders, they use that for business decisions. So that's the key benefits. We shouldn't forget that. Okay. So I'll get started with building with Power BI. So these are the learning objectives. How BI services and applications work together. Yeah, we explore how Power BI can make your business more efficient and how to create compelling visuals and reports. Because with this, yeah, when we talk about visualization, we're talking about graphs. Yeah, with your data. First, remember we looked at the first thing you do is you get your data from the different sources, then you clean your data. We'll practicalize this as we go on. You clean your data, then you use it to draw charts. Yeah. And from there you get your reports. Okay. And the Power BI environment, you have your Power BI desktop. Yeah, that's you download it on your desktop so you can use it. Then you have the Power BI service. The Power BI service is online. And you can also have it on your mobile. So you have the Power BI mobile. So these are the different Power BI environments: desktop, Power BI service, and the Power BI mobile. Okay.
Sorry, can you take it
The
back?
flow of Power BI data sources. Like I
Sorry.
mentioned.
Zuna, sorry, you should take it back.
Yeah, question?
Yeah, like I said, can you please take it back? I want to.
Sorry?
I said, please, can you please take it back? Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, go on. You have a question here.
I just wanted to like write it down, like I'm writing it down. So I just wanted to take notes. But you can move it down. Thank you.
You're writing it down.
Yeah, I'm taking notes.
You're taking notes. Okay. Is this Izuna or Samuel?
Izuna.
Izuna, okay. Yeah, sorry, I'm not on that platform. I'm looking at, I'm sharing my slide, so I can't
Screen,
see.
okay.
Yeah. Are you done with this?
Yes, I'm done. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. But you don't need to take too much notes because maybe while we're here, let me
Okay.
let me share something with you before we go on. I'm going to. I dropped something on the platform.
Okay, I
Did
think
you
I
see
just
it?
saw that now. I just saw it now.
Yeah.
I've not been able to.
Yes.
You know, it's on
I
my phone,
dropped
so I'll check it.
on the WhatsApp platform. I just
Okay.
dropped a link. Okay, Zoom,
Okay.
I'll send this to you. I'm going to open it. Yeah. This is a documentation you can read. Yeah.
Okay.
On your own.
Okay.
So once you click on that link, it takes you to the online documentation. So
All
you
right.
don't have to write everything down. Yeah, because you have a
Yeah.
lot of
Thank you.
documentation here. Yeah, I'm going to go through it so you know. Yeah, you can see that this is the Microsoft Certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate. Yeah. And okay. So over here, I'll just go through it briefly with you. Yeah, like we mentioned, prepare your data, model the data,
Yeah.
visualize the data, manage and secure Power BI. That's what we're going to go through. So if you go through this, you see get started with Microsoft Data Analytics. Yeah, that's where we are now. So on your own, you can read this.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you can read it before the class so you can follow, you can ask questions or after the class. Yeah. So we talked about roles in data, task of a data analyst. And let's look at this knowledge check while we're here. Okay, that's what we just went through. You can see that you also have it on you.
Yeah.
Also have it. Okay, where you said. Okay, this was whose question? You said data analyst. Yeah, what did
Yes.
you go for here?
I think it was some that's analyze.
This is
Analyze.
Analyze.
which question was it? Huh?
It was
Someone analyze.
Analyze.
You went for analyze. Okay, and this one you went for this. So you can always check your answer here. Yeah. Okay, so this is really model. Yeah. Okay, it says which data analyst task has a critical performance impact on reporting and data analysis. So that's modeling, which is an optimized and tuned semantic model, performs better and provides a better data analysis experience. Modeling actually is where you draw the relationship. Yeah, we'll go through that as we go on. Yeah, the analyze phase provides data insights, but doesn't have a direct correlation to performance. Okay, because this is talking about performance, critical performance. Yeah, because when you're doing your relationships, if they're not related, then you won't be able to analyze it. Yeah, and this the key event from data analysis, the ability to gain valuable insights from a business data assets to make timely and optimal business decisions. So it would be nice if you can go through this on your own. Yeah, you have a lot to read. This would widen your knowledge. Yeah, I'll drop the link on the platform so you can always on your own go through it by your spare time. Okay. Yeah. Have any questions so far before we continue? Questions?
Not at all.
Any questions?
No.
Okay. 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 So here we've talked about the data flow. Remember, we talked about your data sources. You get your data from the data sources, then you have your Power BI desktop. That's we'll download that in the next class. Yeah, because we'll be working with your Power BI desktop. Then your Power BI service, that's the online one, and you have the mobile. That's on your phone. You see how it will look on your phone. Yeah, and you have the building blocks of Power BI. Yeah. You have semantic models, you have connected data, transformations, relationships. Okay, remember, you download your data, you get your data from the different sources, then you clean your data. We say this is ETL. You extract your data, you transform it. So ETL stands for extracting data, transforming it, and loading it. Yeah. Okay, and in modeling, you talk about the relationships, draw the relationships, calculations, and visualization. I said that's your charts. You look at your charts. Then we have interactive representation of data through various charts and graphics, like I mentioned to you, as you visualize your data. Charts. Okay. While we're here, okay, let's look at this knowledge check again. Let me take it to. I could take you to this. Okay. Get started building with Power BI. Here we talked about the desktop, the Power BI service, and the mobile. Let's look at this knowledge check here. Okay, so let's who wants to take this? Who wants to go first? You could read the question and go through the answers and tell us what you go for. Who wants to go first?
Okay.
Izuna,
What is the common?
Samuel.
Izuna here.
Sorry?
I said
Okay, go
Izuna
on.
here, Izuna.
Go on, Izuna. You want to read out?
Yeah,
What
go
is the
on.
common flow of activity in a Power BI? Create reports in API service, share it to the API mobile interacts. Create the reports in the API, share it. Create the report in the API.
You can read out the options, so you tell us which one you would go for.
Everything looks alike. Yeah, everything looks alike. But share desktop, no. Create report in Power. That's the second option.
Yeah, that's your final answer.
Who is speaking?
Okay, it's Izuna. Okay, Samuel, do you agree with him?
Izuna, okay. Okay, Izuna went for B, yeah?
B, yeah.
Can you read it out so that we can?
Create a report in Power BI desktop, share it to the Power BI service and interact with the reports and services and Power BI mobile.
Wonderful. Well done.
Samuel, do you agree with him?
Yes, I do.
You
Okay.
do. Okay. You want to take the
Yeah.
second one? Do you want to take the second one?
Yeah. Which of the
Yeah, go on.
following are building blocks of Power BI? I think it's semantic models and visualization. No?
Okay. Okay. Izuna, do you agree with him?
Oh, what did it go with? I didn't hear you.
You went for
What did
B.
Samuel go for?
B.
Semantic
model.
model
Mm.
and visualization.
We went for semantic models and visualization.
Okay, probably
Yeah.
I'll go for maybe semantic models and reports.
Okay.
The building blocks of Power BI. What did you go for?
Is it me? Izuna?
Yeah, what did you go for? Samuel.
I said models and reports. That's C. If that's I'm not mistaken.
Semantic models and reports.
Yeah.
Zuna, do you agree with him?
Oh,
Yeah,
That's
Izuna that
no.
answered. He's agreeing with him. Izuna agreed with him.
Okay.
no.
So he said semantic models and
He went.
reports.
No, he went for the he went
I
for
went for
B.
semantic models and visualization.
You went for what?
Oh, is it? Okay, let's go for what Samuel went for because that's his question. So he
Okay,
went
what
for
is
B.
what did
He
Samuel go
went
for?
for B. Semantic
B.
models and visualization. Yes.
Okay, but Izuna is going for C, yeah?
C. Yes.
Okay.
Let's
Okay,
go with the person that
it's
answered.
exactly it's
Yeah.
Samuel's question. So
Yeah.
okay, the last one, Izuna. Please, can you read it out and so that we
What
can
is the
follow you?
collection? Sorry. What is the collection of reports and dashboards called in Power BI? An app. Yes.
You're going for an app.
Yeah, that's C.
Okay. Do you agree with him, Samuel? Okay, Izuna, you've gone through some of this, have you?
Ma?
Did you go through some of this when I sent you the link?
I did actually open it.
Okay, you
Not
went through
that
some of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Samuel, do you agree with him? Said an app. Okay, let's check your answers. Okay, that's very good. You all got it correct. So yeah, like I said earlier, yeah, you create a report in Power BI desktop. Yeah, share it in the Power BI service and interact with reports in the service and Power BI mobile. So that's the flow. Yeah, the common flow of activity in Power BI. First, you create the report in Power BI desktop. Then share it in Power BI service, and you can interact with reports in the service and Power BI mobile. Okay, which of the following are building blocks of Power BI? So Samuel, you were right. Semantic models and visualization. Without a semantic model, you can't create visualization. And reports are made up of visualizations. Semantic models are like your data, actually. Yeah. Okay. What is a collection of reports and dashboards called in Power BI? An app. So an app is a collection of ready-made visuals, prearranged in dashboards and reports. You can get apps that connect to many online services from the app stores. But this is very good. Please take note of these questions and the answers, because these are in your exam. You have similar questions in your exams. So please take note of them. Yeah, and understand, you don't need to cram, just understand the questions and know the answers. Yeah. So at your spare time, go through all these. Go through the roles. Okay. Let's go back to our slides. Okay. So this is the knowledge check we just went through. Yeah. So here we've gone through discovered the concept of data analysis with Microsoft. We reviewed roles in data.
Do you want me to take? Do you want to take this?
And we explored building blocks of Power BI applications and services. Okay. So I did mention that first you get your data in Power BI. Yeah. So you identify and connect to a data source. Remember, I did mention that you have different data sources. You select a storage mode. Yeah. Okay. We'll go through all that as we go on. We fix performance issues and resolve data import errors. Yeah. Okay. Let's look at here. Okay. John explain to you what all this means, so you can also go through your own descriptive analytics, diagnostic, see what each of them mean. Yeah. Just go through your learning path and read up all this. Yeah. So and we also have the different business roles. Let's look at that while we're here. The different roles in business analysis.
Okay. Yeah. Can I take that?
Okay, sure. Please do. And let me even. I'll show the screen while you. Okay, go on.
Okay, so we have different.
John is a business analyst too, so yeah. Okay, go on, please.
So we have different roles as that deal with data, basically. So these are the roles. We have a business analyst, we have a data analyst, we have a data engineer, we have an analytics engineer, and we have data scientists. So like Franca introduced me, I'm a business analyst as well. So who is a business analyst? A business analyst is a middleman, is a bridge between, if you look at it, it says, while some similarities exist between a data analyst and business analyst, so there are some similarities, but the key difference between the two roles is what they do with data. So The difference is what they do with data. What does a business analyst do with data? So business analyst is a specialist interpreting the data that comes from the visualization, often the roles of data, right? So a business analyst is the bridge. I call him the bridge between the business and the data itself. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. So a data analyst, of course, we know who a data analyst, and we said the data analyst is one who gets data, analyzes data, and gives insights, tells a story with the data. So a data engineer, because all these are little, they wrote, it's a lot of write-up. You guys can do the write-up on your own, but I'm giving you the basic information of what these people do. And that's the only way you will understand. And when it comes out in the exam, it won't be all these little written like this. So a data engineer provides a set of data platform technology that are on premises and in the cloud. So a data engineer is someone who gets data in the cloud, is cloud driven. Okay, so if you can. So an analytics engineer is an engineer who bridges the gap between a data engineering and analysis by curating data assets in data lakes, like lake houses, data quality, enabling self-service analytics. So when you talk about data scientists now, just think of science. So this is a higher person. In other words, the scientist does like advanced. You know what a scientist does? He does advanced analytics. He takes the micro, organism, right, and wants to know why this data is what it says it is. So it's an advanced analytics. But what we are most interested in, this is just an overview, because all these people deal with data, but they deal with data on different, in different ways. But we're more interested in what a data analyst does. And we already established that. But this is just a basic overview of what these people do. Okay? Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you already went through this. Yeah.
Yeah.
John, you already went through this with them.
Yes, I did.
Task of a data analyst, remember? Yeah. Prepare data. Preparing data includes getting your data, cleaning it, that's extracting your data, transforming it and loading it. Yeah. When you model the data, model it, that's where you have create the relationships. Yeah, see which is related to the other variable. Then you visualize, that's the chart. Then you analyze the data, manage the data. Yeah. So you have the documentation, you could read up on that. John really already explained that, went through that. So let's look at the knowledge check again, see how much you're learning, how much you're taking in. Okay, this time, can we have Samuel take the first one? Can you read and, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we've done
Which
this
data
actually. We've
role?
gone through this. Yeah,
Yeah, we have.
we've
Yeah.
gone through this. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Okay, well, I hope you all
Sorry,
remember the answers. Yeah, I hope you
Yeah.
haven't
did you
forgotten.
did you
Data
did you
analyst.
guys understand my
Sorry,
explanation, or you want me to go in depth of what I explained earlier on? Do you understand? Did you understand my explanation?
Yeah, you already gave like the basic and the most important information on it.
Okay. So I
Yeah.
said a business analyst here is a bridge between IT and business.
Okay.
They're
you mean the
using the
different
data
roles?
analyst. Yes. Mm.
Okay, you want us to
The,
go
d-
back there?
I was just wondering if
The
they
different.
understood my explanation. Yeah. But they said they did. Izundo said
Huh?
he did. So that's fine. Izundo said he did. Yeah, that's fine. So we can carry on. So
Okay, so are you okay with this? The different roles in data. Are you okay with that?
Samuel, are you okay with it as well? It was just Izundo's response we got.
Okay, I thought
Yes, I
somebody
am.
was asking a question.
Okay, Samuel said he is. Yeah, they're both fine. So can we just go on?
Sorry?
They said they're both fine with the roles, data
Okay, they're
roles. So
both
we can
fine with
go.
different
Correct,
roles. Okay.
correct.
Okay. Okay. So anyway, you all remember the knowledge check. You remember the answers to this. Yeah. Okay, can somebody can you just
Yeah.
quickly go through it so that yeah. Okay, Samuel,
That
what
one is
can you read
data
this again?
analyst
Data analyst, Izuna.
model.
Which data role enables advanced analytics?
Model.
Yeah, he said data analyst. Yeah.
Model.
Do you agree with him?
Yeah, sorry. Yes. Then inform business decisions. Oh, damn.
Sorry?
I said model, then inform business decisions.
What did you go for here? Model.
Model, yeah. Then
Okay.
inform business decisions.
All
Yeah.
right.
The
Okay.
first one.
Yeah, so you remember.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, they've gone through this before, so
Mhm.
yeah, that's good. So, and once you're going through this, don't cram. Yeah, just understand why the answers. Yeah,
Okay.
and so you don't forget when you get to the exam.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, while we're here, let me show you. Okay. Okay, let me just go through this review before we carry on. Okay, when we finish, these are the different modules we'll go through. Yeah, and you have your after we've gone through the modules, we'll go through the this is practice for the exam. So you'll assess your knowledge here. Yeah, and we have the exam sandbox. At your time, you can also watch the PL300 prep videos. Okay, and this is where you will schedule your exam. And for the exam, okay, US it's we pay 165, but for Nigeria, it's discounted. Yeah. So for your certification exam, and Yeah. It's going to be $83. Yeah, when you're ready to take your exams. That's what you'll be paying. And we'll schedule the exams for you. Yeah. But take your time. There is no rush after the classes. Yeah. We'll mentor you. We'll go through some past questions. And once you're ready for your exams, we'll schedule you for your exams. Do you have any questions before we continue? Any other questions?
No,
Please make out time, go through your this manual. Okay. Let's go through this. Okay, while we're here, you would like to create an account with you. You need to have a Microsoft account. Need to have. Okay. I think we should do that so that the next class will have. Okay, you all have Edge. Do you have Edge on your system?
If we do it now, what
Yeah.
about the third person? We have to go through it again. Why don't we leave it for Saturday?
No, when he comes, we can do his own or have a different class for him. Because yes, because next class we should really start hands-on. That's why it would be nice if they can do because we've looked at this and this prepared for data analysis, and it would be nice if they can have at least set up their Microsoft account. Yeah. Yeah. Well, are you following? Do you have any questions before we? Yeah.
not at all. For
Any
now.
questions?
No.
We
Not at all for now.
done so far. Sorry?
Not at all for now. Not
Okay,
at all
not
for
at
now.
all. Okay. Do you both have a
What?
Edge in your
Edge.
system?
I think that was I'm using. So,
Okay.
um,
Mozilla and Edge?
yes, I do have Edge. I just checked.
You don't have Edge?
I do
It
have.
does.
Okay. Yeah,
What about
because
you, Samuel?
I do.
You
I
have
have
Edge.
Edge. Yeah.
Okay, so we're doing what
Yeah,
we're
that's
going to
what I'm
do
using
on
now.
Edge. Okay, that's fine.
What did Samuel say?
He's got Edge as well. They both have Edge. That's
He's
what they
got Edge.
use.
Okay, maybe what we could do is we could take turns to create your account. Okay, I'll need Izuna, you can go first. You can share your screen. Share your screen, go to Edge. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How do I share? Okay.
Okay, you go, on top, you share, you see an arrow pointing up that says share.
Okay.
Click on that.
Okay, you know how to share your screen.
I'm taking him through.
Okay.
So click on that, Izuna.
Okay. Okay.
You haven't, have you?
Yeah, I have. Okay, share.
Okay,
Window, entire
yeah,
screen.
correct.
Share.
Then share.
Think it's taking time.
Okay, Samuel, I noticed that you're off your phone now. So you unmuted yourself.
I don't know if I can't see anything.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Can
So you've been
Yeah,
speaking
I
on
think,
your, okay. That's nice.
yeah, Izuna, you're sharing. Fantastic. He left
Hey,
again.
Izuna, you were sharing. What
Yeah,
happened? He's been
gone,
thrown off.
he's left. Yeah. I think he clicked on the
He
wrong button.
mistakenly,
Clicked
yes.
on the button.
Okay, Samuel, try while we're waiting for him to come back. Try sharing your screen. Okay, another thing is, okay, you don't have
sorry. I don't know what it is with me. I'm trying to go back.
okay. Izuna
Okay,
is
Izuna,
back.
you're back.
Yeah. But I'm trying to.
Izuna, what happened? You clicked on the wrong key.
Yeah, I clicked on the wrong.
You have to
Okay.
start from the beginning again. Go to
Yeah.
that arrow pointing up that says share.
Okay.
Click on it and do what you did previously because you were sharing your screen.
And
Yeah,
then,
you're back on.
alright.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're sharing your screen now. Yeah, so
Okay.
go to
a new tab.
Okay.
yeah. Okay, go to your Edge browser first.
Yeah, I'm on Edge browser.
He's on Edge. He's sharing his
That's what I'm
Edge.
using.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I need you to copy that link I sent, the learning path. Can you copy it and put on the browser here?
Yeah, I've opened it.
Okay, you say you don't have WhatsApp on
He
your
has.
laptop.
No,
He's
no,
opened
no.
it. He's open.
I've opened it already. I said I put it on my
Okay.
Telegram, so I can say that.
Okay, you have your Telegram on
My laptop, yes.
okay, maybe my screen
I
is a
think
bit delayed.
yeah, your
So
screen
what
is
can you
delayed.
see? What do you have on your screen now?
He's
Okay.
I just opened the
Okay, that's
Microsoft.
okay. I can see your Power BI. Yeah, okay, I can see that.
Yeah.
Click on where you have the
signing.
Okay, so
yeah, okay. Do signing. Let's see. Click on signing because you haven't signed up for Microsoft. Click on where you have signing.
yeah, I've clicked on it. But I think I have an account, if I'm not mistaken, because I can see we found an account we can use here.
Okay. Have you registered with Microsoft?
I don't know, I can't remember. Maybe I did, I can't remember.
But what can you see now?
No, I can see like sign in email and everything, then sign options. We found an account you can use here with my name and all. So I don't know.
Okay. Okay. My system is a bit delayed. That's when you clicked on signing, yeah?
No, I've not clicked on sign in. After I clicked on sign in, sorry. Yes.
Okay, click on sign in and let me see. What do you have?
I already did that.
And you can see your name and
yeah. Should I click on my name and email?
no, can you see profile?
I'm on sign in already.
Okay.
So
okay, we found an account. Okay, yes, click on your name where you have your name. Zuna Wifi. And that's your email address, yeah? Gmail
yeah, that's my
account.
email.
Yeah, click on it.
Yeah, that's nothing.
You found an account. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I think I'm signed in. So yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm signed in. I don't know if you can see it.
Yeah.
Okay. The system is a
Click on
bit delayed.
sign in again. Let's see if your name would show.
Okay.
Is it not? Click
We
on sign
updated.
in again.
Okay, sign
Let's see
in.
if it's your name.
My name
Yeah.
is there. My
No,
name is there
no,
already.
I
Check
see
now.
we're updating your. Okay.
Let's verify that your name is your name is you.
Yeah. It's my
Click
email,
on
but
where
personal.
you.
My email.
What that photo?
Yes.
What that
I can
Top,
see.
images?
top right.
Yeah, I can see personal. Then my email is there.
So when you clicked on that on the photo there, what can you see?
Personal and my email.
Personal and your email.
Yeah.
Can you see profile?
Profile. I can just see other profiles.
But how come we can see it?
I think it's a bit delayed.
No, from here, my system is not delayed, but I can't say what it's clicking.
What can you see now?
Oh, it's dropped off.
You stop
Stop
sharing.
sharing.
Can you see now?
No, no,
Oh,
I can't even
it's
see
okay.
when you click on it.
Now, what I can see is learning for everyone, everywhere.
That's correct.
Come on. Mhm.
Okay, anyway, once you can see your name, that means you're signed in. So
You're
that's
signed
fine.
in, yeah. Oops.
Yeah, because it says, okay, you went out.
Mm-hmm.
You have your name. Yeah, so that's
Yeah.
fine. Yeah.
Trying to
Izuna.
sign in.
Click on it and yeah. And when you click on that picture, you can see your name, yeah?
Yeah, like my email. It's my email that's showing there.
And your email. Okay, so
Yeah.
that's fine then. Okay, that's fine. So you're signed up for Microsoft. Okay, someone, can you share your screen? Let's see what you have.
Okay, yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
You can see it now.
Yeah.
Okay, you're signed in as. Okay, that's you. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, click on next. Wait, hold on. Before registering with this Microsoft. Okay. So just go ahead. It says display name is that. Yeah. So you need to go. Okay, you haven't gone through all that. So you need to go through,
Yeah, I've not gone through.
those steps. Yeah. Did you stop sharing your screen?
No, still sharing.
Maybe. No,
Okay,
not.
Samuel is sharing now. Okay, anyway, just keep going through the steps while share. I think Samuel just okay, but that's all right. Yeah, Izuna, just
I'm already.
keep going through the steps. Yeah. Okay, Samuel, you need to go to
I've done mine already.
your edge.
What's it called?
You've done yours.
Yeah, I've done it already.
Okay, let's see
Chill.
what you have.
Wait, chill.
The link I sent you, the learning path.
Sorry, wait. Okay.
Okay, I sent you. You want me to send it on what do you call it? Okay,
I've registered already.
that's
though.
you. Oh, you've registered with Microsoft. Okay, let's see what you have. Let's see. Go to Edge and let's see your account.
My name and everything is there already. Zero body,
Okay,
zero
let's see.
trophies.
Can you go there and show us?
Can you see this? Can you see?
Me?
Yeah,
Yeah, we can see your screen, Samuel. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, man, not sure.
Just go to your account. Let's see. Log in.
Okay.
Microsoft.
I thought I had an account here.
Are you on Edge?
Yeah, I am.
Okay.
Bad guy. I'm going to follow fish again.
Okay, click on sign in. Let's see. Samuel, did you click on sign in?
Yes, I have.
Izuna, have you gone through all the steps?
Yes, I have. I'm signed in already.
Okay.
I can see training plans, challenges, and other things.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is you, Samuel.
Yeah, that's me.
Yes.
So you are called to.
This email is not me.
Send you a code
Let me get this. Yeah.
to your email, Gmail account. Okay. Can you see the code? Samuel, what's going on? Can you check your email for the code?
Yeah, that Gmail. Yeah.
Okay. Your Gmail account.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. While we're waiting for Samuel to get his code, Izuna, are you there? Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
Izuna.
Here. I'm here.
Okay. Okay, yeah. Go to, while we're waiting for him to get his code, go to your browser. Yeah.
Okay.
You could go to a browser tab there and type download Power BI desktop. Okay.
Yeah, I'll do it now. Download.
Yeah. It'll guide you.
I hope you're not using a
Download
mouse.
what? No. HP.
Okay.
Download what? Power.
Power BI desktop.
Yeah, we are desktop.
Okay, I'll see it. Yeah, I can see install Windows.
Yeah, go through the steps to download it. Samuel, what's the issue?
Huh?
Where do you have your email? You are not able to get
Yeah,
the
it's on
code?
my other phone and I didn't bring it here. So I'm calling home to get it, the code.
Okay, you're calling to get it.
Yeah, I'm calling home, yeah, to get it.
Okay, so you can't access this email.
I'll get it now. This is on my second phone at
Okay.
home.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe like 5 minutes.
All right, that's fine. Okay, while we're waiting, Izuna, you can share your screen, so at least they'll guide you through the steps, and someone can also learn from the steps. Izuna, are you sharing your screen? Izuna?
I'm here. I'm trying to share the screen.
Okay.
I'm still downloading the power this thing.
Okay. Yes, you can share your screen while you're downloading it, so at least we'll guide you.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen already.
Okay. Okay, it's downloading, yeah. It'll take some time, so just give it some time. It's downloading.
Yeah, it's going to still downloading. It's on 10%.
Okay.
Your phone now. It's 43007. Yeah, of no use again. Bye-bye.
Okay, while we're waiting for the download, any questions from what we've done today? Samuel, any question? Is there anything you want us to go over? Izuna?
No. No,
I'm fine. I'm fine for now.
Okay. Okay, and remember you have your
Huh? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello? Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Who's speaking? Someone. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Yeah, okay, fine. Franca was kicked out, so I'm not sure she'll be able to come back again. So, Samuel, you can download your Power BI. Izu, have you downloaded yours though?
It's still
Okay, I
downloading, so
think.
let me check if
Okay. So
it's on
Samuel, you can download
26%.
yours. Okay, fine. I think she's calling on.
Is he on Edge or
She's
where?
calling on the group. Yeah, on Edge. Go on Edge. Go to a new tab and
Okay.
download Power BI Desktop. This will take a while to download, just like his is downloading his. So while you guys are doing that, I think we'll call it a night. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. All right
All
then,
right,
guys.
thank you.
Yeah. Good
All right,
night.
Thank you.
good night.
Yeah.
Good
Bye.
night.
Good night.